Children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So children, I welcome you all to the math class. Today, the day is Friday and it is 10th of December 2021. So children, today we are dealing with third type of book, that is your mental maths book. In today's class, we are continuing with Unit 10. The name of the chapter is Time. In today's class we will do from page number 92 to 93. So we have done many sums already from this chapter, if you remember. So you know that in order to see time, clock or watch is very important thing. So in today's class, children, we will do this one. Number 2 we have done in the last class till number 1. So number 2 we will solve all these questions. Next, number 3 we will skip and we will start number 4. Fill in the blanks with the correct year. What time will the clock show in 45 minutes? Number 6, true or false. We will also do timeline, children, where different timetable is given for a boy named Kuber, and based on that timetable we will do the question answers. Here also, based on the timetable and looking at the watch, we will do what is Kuber doing at each of this timing. So children, this will over the chapter also. So in the next class we will start a new chapter. So without any delay, let us proceed to our class. Children, this is question number 2. Solve this. Days in a year minus 100. So you have to minus 100 from days in a year. So you know that in a year there is 365 1/4 days, but we will take 365 only. 365 minus 100. Yes, so 365 minus 100, you can say there will be 265 days. Now next, number of days in a week. So there are 7 days in a week. So let us first write 7 plus number of days in the month of June. So we know that in the month of June there are 30 days. So 77 plus 30 equals to, our answer is 37. Days in the month of December. So let us first write the days in the month of December. There are 31 days in the month of December. So minus is given, so we have to put subtraction sign. Minus days in the month of February, that is in non-leap year. So in leap year February has 29 days and in non-leap year February has 28 days. So 31 minus 28 is 3. Yes, so 3 is the answer. Month in a year plus days in the month of April plus days in a week. So first write months in a year. So how many months are there in a year? Yes, there are 12 months in a year plus days in the month of April. So there are 30 days in the month of April. So we will write first 30. Again, it's given plus, so we will put plus sign. Plus days in a week. So there are 7 days in a week. So let us do it in the rough. 12. Just not do here. Let us do here. 12 plus 30 plus 7. So 7 plus 2 is 9. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So we got our answer, children. What is our answer? Our answer is 49. So we will write our answer here. 49. Now in the same manner, children, you will do number E and number F. Okay, number of months in a half year. So you know that how many months are there in a half year? You can subtract 12 from 6. Yes, or 12 by 2 you can do. Yes, so that will be 6. So you will write 6. So E and F you will do by your own, children. Now next, number 3, please cross out number 3. We are not doing number 3. Number 4, fill in the blanks with the correct year. Which year was it 4 years back? So children, this year is 2021. You have to write which year was it 4 years back. So let us start subtracting. So we can't subtract 4 from 1, so we will borrow 1 from 2. So 11 minus 4 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that will be 7. So 1 minus 0, 1, 0, 2. So 4 years back it was 2017. So you will write 2017 here. 2017. Now next, which year will be after 3 years? So it is very easy, just add 2021 plus 3 after 3 years, right? So 2021 plus 3 will be 2024. So in the next 3 years it will be 2024. In which year you were in class 1? Now you are in class 3. Yes, that means in 2021 you are in class 3. In 2020 you were in class 2, and in 2019 you were in class 1. Which year will be the next year? It is very easy. Which year will be the next year? 2022 will be the next year. Yes. Now what time will the clock show in 45 minutes? So it's 12:15 already, or 15 past 12. So in next 45 minutes, so the clock will be 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. So numerical value of number of months in a year is same as that of a dozen. So yes children, because there are 12 months in a year and 12 equals to 1 dozen. So here you will write true. Okay. So next children, let us move to the next page. This is Kuber's school day. So first question is, when does Kuber take his shower? So you can see at 6:05 a.m. shower and cleans teeth. So you will write 6:05. Don't forget to write a.m. a.m. p.m. we have already done in the math step class, so I don't think so there will be any problem. So at 6:05 a.m. Okay. Let us see the next question. How long does it take for him to get dressed? So he get dressed from 6:05 to 6:20. So between 6:20 to 6:05, if you minus 5 from 20, there is 15. Yes, so Kuber takes 15 minutes. So in the answer you will write 15 minutes. Now next, does Kuber have any pets? Dash. How do you know? So you can see that fits dog, fish and birds. Yes, so you will write your answer. Yes, Kuber has pets. How do you know? Because he feeds his pets. Because you can write he feeds them, because he feeds them. How long does it take Kuber to walk to school? So he start at 7:10 and he arrives at school at 7:35. So 35 minus 10 is 25. So here you will write the answer 25 minutes. 25 minutes. Next, does he take the same time to walk back home from school? How much time does he take to come back home? Now, school gets over at 1:45 and Kuber arrives home at 2:10. Okay, so let us subtract 1:45 from 2:10. So we know that we can't subtract 5 from 10, so we will borrow 1 from here. So 10 minus 5, 5. Again we have made it 0. So 10 minus 4 will be. Okay children, let us do in another method. Let us not subtract it. Let us add the time. 1:45. The school gets over. So 1:45 to 1:45 plus 1:45 plus 10 minutes equals to 1:55 plus 10 minutes plus 5 minutes equals to 2, and he arrives home plus 10, that is 2:10, right? So 10 plus 5 plus 10, so 25 minutes. So it takes 25 minutes for him to walk to school, and yes, it takes 25 minutes for him to come back home also. 25 minutes. Now how long is the school recess? So you can see that school recess starts at 10:20 and he comes back to class at 10:35 a.m. So only 35 minus 20 is 15 minutes. So only the school recess is only for 15 minutes. Now, how long in hours and minutes does Kuber watches TV? How many minutes does Kuber spend on his homework? GHI, you will do it yourself, children. We have done time in math steps where we have learned detailedly about all these things. Now you can calculate time easily. Now, what is Kuber doing at each of this time? So the first clock, you can see that it is showing 7:20. So here exactly 7:20 is not there. So you can write at 7:20 in the morning, Kuber is walking to school. Yes, because he is working. He starts working at 7:10 and arrives at school at 7:35. So in the morning he is. You have to write with very small handwriting. Walking to school. He is walking to school. And in the evening at 7:20 he is playing indoor. Yes, so you will write he plays indoor. Now next, number B clock shows the time 2:20. So in the morning 2:20. Okay, here you have to write for the morning only, or in the afternoon only. 2:20 he is having his lunch. So you will just write lunch. You can just write lunch here. Okay, down next 10:25. So in the morning 10:25 he is having recess in the school. So you can write recess. And in the evening 10:25 he is sleeping. Yes, goes to bed, that means he is sleeping. So number D, children, you will see the time and you will do the work yourself for your home assignment. So children, I think so whatever we have done is clear to you all. So I will see you in the next class. Thank you everyone.